As a dad, there is nothing makes me prouder than when my two children are out in the garden working alongside me. But half the battle I've found is actually finding the right tools for them to do the job. A lot of your children's tools, as you might call them, we find they break after a while, so I'll give them one of my tools and it's just too heavy. We've been a bit stumped. That is until now. I've just found the perfect kids tools from lovegardening.com. So these two hand tools, a trowel and a fork, are fantastic. They are just as good a quality as the tools I use for my daily work. They're forged in exactly the same way as the big boys' toys, but they're much more delicate and they're perfect for my children to use. We eat a lot of salad and as a result we grow a lot of salad, and these are perfect for them to get out into the salad beds, sowing the seeds, getting out the weeds. The job's a good one. And when the children are full of ice cream and in the mood for some serious graft, we've got these miniature adult tools, as I call them. There's a little hoe and a spade. They are absolutely spot on. The workmanship, the quality there is just sound as a pound, and I know that they'll get stuck in a garden as well as I do, hopefully, without breaking the tools. So what we've looked at today is just part of the range of children's tools that are made by Krumpholz, the people that make the tools I use. Now, if you've got budding gardeners in your family, or you like to think you've got budding gardeners in your family, I can't recommend these children's tools enough. They're the perfect gift for your kids, and you can get them from lovegardening.com.